Next topic is IP protocol. One of the most well-known protocol is IP protocol. Its names come from Internet Protocol. That is, I and P stand for I for Internet and P for protocol. So in short, we call it IP. This protocol offers a service with no guarantees and is also referred to as best effort. That is, it does not consist of handshake that we did not get any confirmation from the other side if this protocol has been received by the other party. It is just referred as a best effort, that we done our best effort to reach to the other party, to the other side, and there is no guarantee that it has been reached over there or not. The packets can arrive out of order and be reordered at the destination. Some packets can even be lost on the way. This disorder and loss of packets can affect the quality of voice. Despite all of this, intelligent ways have been found to solve these problems in the best way possible. That is why it is called the best effort.